going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Honda CRV. Today I'm going to show you how to pull out the cabin filter, okay? So it's going to be located behind your glove box. Go ahead and open up the glove box. We're going to disconnect the damper that you have here on the side. All I have to do is push on it, okay? And it will disconnect. Move it out of the way a little bit. Now we need to get the glove box door to come down, so we have these stoppers here that we need to push the glove box in, pull it a little bit towards us. We get it to come down, okay? Zoom out. There we go. All right, now once it comes down, I'm going to grab the corner of the glove box here and pull towards me, and I'm actually going to remove the glove box. Same thing on this side. It's made to come off like this. You can see the hinge here, how it goes back on. Now this door here we're going to take off. And notice here, right here, it says up, okay? So this is the airflow direction. No, that's not the airflow direction, I'm sorry. This is how this door goes back on, okay? Not the airflow direction. We're gonna push these tabs in on both sides and remove it. Now if we look here, okay, this is the factory filter for this car. This car is super low miles, it's like brand new. So the airflow direction is actually down, okay? And here's the part number for a Honda air filter. If you wanna get an aftermarket filter that's a little cheaper, check the description box. I'll have a link to Amazon where you can get a cheaper filter there if you want to get one of those. We just pull it right out. And again, this one doesn't need to be changed. It has like a little bit of stuff in there. But when you get your new one, I'm going to shake this one out real quick. Just get it. Make sure you have the airflow correct. You notice this one has the felt on the sides. Okay. And then we just go back with this cover here like that. Line up the hinges, push the glove box, go click, close it, okay, good to go. We just get this damper here. We just hook it back up. We just got to put it back down on this little thing, pull towards us. Make sure we got the hinges on. There you go. Use a little bit of force. Good to go, okay? Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me and leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.